Hi everybody, my name is I know that I've been vlogging some Ghetto Skylines and then even adopt me for this. So today I'm gonna unbox 100 Lunar New Year gift box. I know, but before we get started, let me get my favorite pet. My favorite pet is hey Billy. Hey Billy, how's it going, buddy? I'm gonna name it Billy. Hold up. I'm gonna name it Billy before we start. I'm gonna name you Billy. Billy, my boy. It's so cute. It's so cute. You're so cute. My goodness. Hello, Billy. How's it going? You doing alright? Yeah, I know, Billy. Since I know you're around, I thought I'm going to lose you as my legendary pet, right, Billy? Yeah, right. Okay. Anyways, Billy. Oh, I think Billy said subscribe. Amazing! Let's get started. Okay, let's open our own box and let's see what's inside. See? We got a rice cake soup. You know, I have two rice cake soup. I accidentally do the rice cake soup. And I accidentally wear this right cake hat. So let's open the other one. Okay. Let's open this other one. We got another rice cake hat. Amazing. Well, at least we have rice cake hat now. Right? I think so. We have so many. Oh my gosh. I'm back to my old account anyway. So let's open the third one. We got. Oh my gosh, we have a giant fanghorn kite. My goodness, this is. I can't believe it. Let's jump. Oh, it says it's used for jumping. So we have to run around. I think. I don't know. Let's take your shower, Billy. Billy, before we sorry, Billy. I'm gonna have to take your shower and I will leave you, okay? Billy, just stay there. I beg you. Oh, okay. Anyway. Oh, Billy. Billy. Okay, Billy. Let's get. Okay, the fourth one. Already? Let's go. We got. Oh my gosh. Is that the lunar moon toy? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. My goodness, I have to unselect these things because I don't know what to do with this. Sheesh, that's very cute. Oh, it's so cute, Billy. Oh no! I don't mean to do that. No, just delete that. Okay, okay, Billy. Let's do this. 96. Oh. We have another diamond fang horn kite. Oh my goodness! Okay, just get out of here. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, we have another rice cake soup. My goodness. Okay, buksan natin po to Okay? We have another one. Ulit naman. Tatlo pa eh. Tatlo pang kite na to. Okay. Oh. Ulit na to Okay, you know. Hold up. I'm gonna feed. Wait, I know. Billy, kumain ka dito Kumain ka. Kumain ka dito saan ka mupo eh? Dito ka Alam mo, Billy, ikaw na lang dito Huwag kang aalis dyan. At, ano nangyari siya? Billy, okay ka lang? Billy, okay ka lang? Grabe ka, parang kang tao. Parang kang skinwalker pa. Ano ba yan? Punta tayo sa room mo, okay? Okay? Grabe na to. Holy moly. Here you go. Okay. Oh. Because I really unboxed it. Okay, let's go. We're opening this one. Rice cake rabbit kite! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Inom ka manan! Grabe ka. Inom ka. Inom ka. There you go. Bili. Balik tayo. Wala kon. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. I've been just something out. Let's go. We're going. Oh, we got a handbook. Huh? What's a handbook? Hindi ko na alam mga handbook. Let me know in the comments below if you know handbook. I don't know what a handbook is, and I don't know what a handbook means, but it's fine. At least I need to just wait. Hold up. I have to. I have so many. My goodness. And I also have these LGBTs. And I got these LGBTs striping. It's so cute. And cute slow. 50 scissors, like backpack. Okay, just a backpack. So, Billy? Okay. Andyan naman yung rice soup. Ano ba yan? Give mo ako ng legendary, ah. Oh, sweet rice drink. Parang Coca-Cola yan, ah. Parang Coca-Cola. Grabe. Okay, let's continue. Grabe ka man. And, ano ba yan, Billy? Puro ka inumin ka. Okay, inom ka. At least, gusto niya inumin si Billy, ah. Gusto ko siya talaga inom. Billy, halika na. Halika na, Billy. I'm sorry, hindi ko naglaro ako ng Adopt Me noon eh. Because I kept busy for UDCs. Okay. Jeji Trotoy. A rare. Okay, so this is very cute. And I love the tray slice then. So we got another one. Okay. Let me know. I have to count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Please. Oh my god, guys! King Crab! No, Billy! Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh, what's this here? An ultra rare. Oh my gosh, we have an ultra rare, guys! We got an ultra rare, Rice Cake Rabbit! Oh. Never mind, I switch it to another pet. Hold up, I'm favorite those because Hold up, I'm doing my business over here. Oh, we got these cute little fellas. They're done. We still. What's up? I have so many pets. My goodness. Holy moly. We have so many pets. Hey, yo, bruh. Pet-chan. I don't know why I cockroaches. I guess the ghost. I love ghosts. My favorite pet ever because it's so cute. And there's Molly. I remember the toy in kasi. Okay, let's head on without Billy. Well done. Hold up. I need. You know what? Back over here. Okay. Oh, another street ice break. So sweet. Okay, Billy, where are you? Come over here, Billy. I know since you're over here. What do we got? But dog. Oh my gosh, we got the dog Toki kite. It's very rare, you know. Tulog ka. Okay, nighty-night. Good night, Billy. So, let's open up. We got a rice cake soup again. Oh my gosh. Grabe ito. I got another one. Oh, this one. He just turned around before. I swear I saw him turn around. Don't worry. You just stare at the camera whenever you want, buddy. Ito, rice cakes ko. Baka ma-nosebleed kayo pag English na ako. Ulit! Rice cake soup ulit. Grabe naman. Okay. Oh, no rice cake. Oh my gosh. This was testing out already. My goodness. Oh, a fang horn kite. Is he? He's moving! Oh my goodness! Okay, ano pa? Another one. Ulit naman, oh. Okay, let's look at another. Please, legendary! I beg you! Please! Grabe. Puro naman yung common or rare. Please give me a legendary. Drink and too personal. Grabe naman, too personal naman, ha? I know, I buy. Oh, another mouse. Grabe, iba na yan. Okay, wait lang. Maligo muna si Billy. Maligo muna si Billy. Maligo muna si Billy. Billy, here go. Okay. I'm living in a bunker. And I'm decided to make my own house. Oh, it's Korean. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to buy my favorite house. My favorite house is the Royal Palace. My favorite Royal Palace. Okay, Billy. Saan kayo? I don't think it's safe for you. So let me. Oh my god. I don't know this thing. Hold up. Mag-unboxing tayo dito. Okay. Wala akong chair. Okay, so actually mag-unboxing tayo na lang dito. Okay? Handbook. Yep. Ano? Got another handbook. Sweet. Ano pa? The rice cake soup naman. Oh! Oh my gosh! A rainbow dragon kite! Oh my gosh! That's what I get for that. Oh my goodness. It's very cute, you know. Please give me rare. Or something. Oh. The only way we have to get is 1% ang legendary, guys. Oh, pala. 1%. We have another rice cake rabbit. Yeah, Billy. Come here. Oh, sweet rice drink. And then the KKGTG roll. I'm rolling. Please. It's very slow. Lucky. Oh. Hey! Grabe kayo, ha? Mga beshies ko. I'm private. So sorry, nalalag ito. And then it's shining like treasure. Oh, Orcsy. What is Orcsy? Huh? Can I get a rare and ultra rare like this? Question mark. My goodness, grab it. Okay, I can. It's laggy. I see my Wi-Fi, and hello, is it working? My goodness, I'm connecting, but I don't get it. How am I supposed to vlog with? Oh no, not right now. Not right now. I'm trying to. What do we have here? Wait, what do we have here now? Are we gonna unlock something? Ah, remove slots. Slots? Ha? Oh, Billy. Akala ko, naglagi tetoy cellphone ko Kasi, I'm doing my business. Okay. I think we're going to be here. So, oh my gosh. Ikaw, uminom ka Inom ka. Nag-usap ako ng Tagalog. Okay. Okay. You really good? Really good? I wish I should. You want to sit to this chair? Oh, wait, where do I sit? Saan ako upo? What the? Wait. This is actually curse, guys. This is actually curse. I don't know why. Okay, we're back here. So we're going to continue. Okay. So wait. It's still laggy again. And what do we got? Rice cake soup. Okay, ito na. Rice drink. I know what's going on. Rice cake hat. Please give me legendary. Please. Now. Okay, ulit na ulit. I'm going to have so many space for enjoy. Cheesy choice though. I got another one. I'm still hoping so I can find the legendary. I'm really frustrated. If I frustrated, that would be doom. I'm doomed for this. Oh. Wait, wala, my baby. Ito na, uminom siya. Puro siya, gusto niyang inumin ng tubig. So, pick up. Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy, let's go here so we can... Oh, that's fine if you love the couch. Okay lang mag-put mong touch. Okay. Let me open this because malaki yan! Malaki ang box sa akin Malaki siya. Okay, so rice cake soup. Okay. Ito na. Okay, ito pa. Drink. Okay. Oh. A rainbow dragon hat? Ha? Oh my, hindi ko na alam yan. First time ko nakita yan Ang cute. Parang dragon. So, ito try ko yung mga accessories sa mga pets ko. Oh my gosh! We have a fang hard tortoise, you guys! Oh my gosh! Hello, buddy! You look like you're so old like me, but that's fine. You're the master of... You love the, I don't know. But I don't know where you come from. Are you Korean? We know you're Asian. I am Asian too. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Okay, Billy, let's go. Sorry about that, Billy. Dancing with the guy. Let's open this. Any offer? Okay, yeah, Billy, don't eat it, please. Oh, I'll lead you a story pretty clear. If you see if you have a coyote. Coyote? What do you mean, coyote? I don't have a coyote, girl. Wala akong coyote, Another ulit yan. Book. What's this? Midnight Dragon. Expensive. Ito ko nga. Unlock the midnight. 1,000 Robux pa yon yung Midnight Dragon. Okay. Alam ko yan, ha? Alam ko na yan. Rice cake hot. Last. Okay. Rice cake soup. Okay, we're on rice cake hot pa. Gusto ko yung boss na naman to, ha? Okay, it's so cute. Spring. Okay. Handbook. Rice cake soup. Rice cake soup ulit. What should I grab? Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna spell Billy first before I do. I should close my eyes and spell B-I L-L-Y. Yep, you're still black. Nag-blush ka? You're blushing naman, Billy. American crush. Ay, wala pala. Sorry. Nag-embarrass ka na naman. Sorry. Na-embarrass kita eh. Equality. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Come on, Billy. Let's go. No. What's on the curve? Okay, Billy, so you're so backing the tail, wagging the okay, so I bought the rice cake, the flying horse tortoise. This is so ultra rare, my goodness. I hope I will get the legendary. Oh gosh. Come on, Billy. Dito ka dito. Dito dito, trust me. I'm trusting you. Okay, so we know na, okay? Okay. 30. Rice cake hot. Oh, Billy, you're so cute! My goodness! Ang cute mo talaga, ah. Okay. Let me open that for you. Okay, so... Yep, have a sandwich. Yep. No. There you go, buddy. Okay, let's open the gift. Okay? He disappeared! No! We got dalawang pang-horse tortas na nalock ko kasi. Pero I'm going to invite. Okay, so like you're doing with me now. Sorry about your friend Billy. Okay, handbook. I know, pero we're down. Malapit na. What? Tatlong fanghorn tortoise ulit. Tortoise pala. Pasensya na po. I hope may pinupupo. Until maubos na yan. Please give me... No, legendary one. Good luck to me, please. Please. Bruh. Raven Dragon hat? My goodness. I'm sure like that. We're down! Malapit na ubos na to. Malapit na ubos na yun, guys. Malapit na. Please give me. Please give me. Rainbow Dragon hat. No. No, hold up. Please! Please! Ano ba yun? Please. It's my chance. Please. I don't want to. Please. Please. Oh no. No, please. Uh-oh. And 100! Ang last, 100 surprise ko. Please give me 100. Please give me legendary. Nakakuha naman ako eh. Please. Sayang. Sayang naman. At least may gift cards ko. Ito ko nga sa'yo Okay, so these are all. I have 800 bucks, 11, 12 na yan, 4. I have Bang Roberto, Cake. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching for my videos anyways. Please please comment down below what should I hatch? Maybe hatch 100 desert eggs or royal eggs or crack eggs na 100 or unbox many or something else. Or I'll wait for the other one. Let me know in the comments below. Pero I'll see you in my video. Anyways, I'm gonna poop Billy. Poop. You wanna say bye, Billy? Okay. Bye, Billy. Yep. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. I promise you guys. It's a pinky promise kasi. Pinky promise. Paalam!